Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hepzibah, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video series, we have been discussing about the various stages of design thinking. In the previous two videos, we have discussed about the first two stages, that is empathizing and defining the problem statement. Here we have the ideate, that is the third stage in design thinking. How to generate ideas? What are the ways to generate ideas? This is the main concept of this particular video. When you want to generate an idea, it's a very big challenge. So already when you have something in your mind, new ideas cannot be generated. Something is blocking your mind, ideas cannot be generated. So the first thing we have to do is we have to have a very wide mindset, free mindset. We have to be free from all our regular course, and then from the we should be free to think about that particular problem. Then only new ideas can be generated. There is a saying, if you want to learn something new, unlearn whatever is being there in your mind in that particular topic. So when you unlearn only, you can learn something new. Similarly, when you have your mind open, new ideas can be generated. What are the 7 ways to generate ideas? The first one is engage in different observation sessions. This means you have to observe the problem well so that new ideas will be generated. Without knowing the problem well, we cannot generate ideas regarding that problem. Second one is we have to have a wide look, socialize outside your normal circles, that is thinking out of the box. We have to if the idea is if the problem statement is about 3 members, then you just widen that problem to other sides also, and then you think about ideas. Read more books. Okay, when you read more books, you have a very big wide mindset. Okay, very big mindset. It is a wide mindset. And also when you read a story, for example, you just start imagining whatever is given in that particular story, the scenes. You will start imagining all those scenes. But so when you go through a YouTube video, same story in the form of YouTube video, you will just see the video and you move on. So imagining starts where you read more books. And then randomly surf webs, that is browse through websites which will help us to get more ideas. Keep a regular journal, in the sense keep a diary or else a notebook which will help you to maintain what are all the points to be noted out. Then meditate, keep your mind calm from the chaos of the world, from already existing problems. Keep you away from all those things so that idea generation can be very easy with a fresh mindset. Use structured exercises. Exercises will keep you healthy and also your mind fresh. So all these things will help us to generate new ideas. Okay, you generate a number of ideas with the help of a number of methods, modules, and how to identify the top 3 ideas from a number of ideas. So this is a very important one because you are going to pick top 3 ideas. Among those top 3 only you will implement one. Okay, so it is very important. So now here you have to brainstorm with your stakeholders. Okay, so brainstorming will give you more knowledge about that particular idea. What are the pros and cons, all those things you will have about that particular idea. And then you group similar ideas and then make them as a broader category. Okay, similar ideas can be grouped and then you make them as one idea. So that is again making n number of ideas as a group and then you will be able to identify top 3 ideas. Then evaluate each idea based on whether it is possible or not, what will be the impact, and then what will be the innovation when you use that idea. All those things you have to evaluate. Sometimes it will be a very innovative idea, it will have a great impact on the problem, but it is not feasible at all. Sometimes it is very easily possible, but it won't have any impact on the problem. So you have to evaluate each idea and then select the top 3 ideas that align with the user's needs and business goals. Okay, so from all some 50 or 40 or 100 ideas, classify them, evaluate them, and uh, select top 3 ideas. Okay, the first thing in selecting top 3 ideas is brainstorming. Okay, some few tips to improve brainstorming. The first one is you have to have the objective clear, or else people will go out of the objective. Okay, when you brainstorm, when you, we will talk a lot, so they will go out of the uh, objective. So what are you trying to find or solve? That also you will have a very clear focus and take away the possibilities of anchoring by letting people generate ideas. So when you should not be more stubborn in one particular concept. You should have let people generate more ideas. And then first you have go for quantity and then qualitative. Make it qualitative. First you generate a number of ideas, then bundle them and make it qualitative. So many times some of the ideas will be very silly, some of them will be very funny, but still you ask many questions and you make many ideas. So brainstorming uh, will happen very what else easily without any problem when you follow these tips. And now top 3 ideas have been selected, and then bundling. Look for synergies between the ideas that can create a more comprehensive solution. Okay, compare and make them unified. Okay, combine ideas, that's grouping them, short term, long term needs, all those things. Okay, some of the ideas can be implemented immediately. Some of them need some more work to be carried out. All those things to be sorted out. And then group related ideas can be bundled to solve multiple challenges. Okay. Now you have how to generate ideas we discussed, and those ideas are now analyzed and then bundled, and the top 3 ideas are selected. Now we have to create concepts from bundled ideas. Then only we can go for the problem. Okay, so first you define the core objectives, identify the target audience. Okay, so after defining the objectives, who are the target audience who are going to be benefited out of that idea, and then a small prototype model which will help us to what else bring out the idea in the form of a working model. Okay, and then iterate and repeat it based on feedback. You get some feedback from your peer group or else from the audience, and then you just repeat or else make some changes in the prototype, and then finally go for the model. So creating concept from bundled ideas, it's again a very important what else way of what else step in idea generation. Okay, thank you.